This is the Woods DDP tutorial for Model 7. I'm going to begin this by coming over to New, selecting the drop-down arrow, and selecting Part. I'm going to begin this with a 2D sketch. I'm going to draw this on the XZ plane. I'm going to rotate my view cube over here so that I see the word top correctly. I'm going to start this by drawing the overall diameter of the part. So I'm going to select circle. I'm going to start at the origin, and this diameter is 4. So I'm going to select 4, enter. I'm then going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this profile. This distance A is going to be 0.75. I'm going to select OK. Come up here to my view cube and select the home button so I can see my extrusion. Then I am going to create the secondary profile on the top here. So I'm going to start a sketch, select the top of my circle extrusion, and I'm going to use this center point. So I'm going to select circle, and I'm going to select the center point here to make sure that these are concentric, which means that they share the same center point. I am going to draw a circle that is a 1.5 diameter. Enter. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this circle. This circle's extrusion is 1, so I'm going to change distance A to 1. Select OK. Then I'm going to place a hole in the center of the top here. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this top face. I'm going to place a point directly in the center. So I'm going to get a green dot, select that point, and then I'm going to go to finish sketch. I'm going to select hole. This hole is a simple hole. It has no seat. The termination is through all, and the distance is going to be 1. So I'm going to change this distance to 1. Select OK. Next, I'm going to place a series of holes that go around the circle here. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm going to select this face. I'm going to begin by placing a point at the top. So I'm going to use the center point here, and then I'm going to move my mouse straight up so that my X readout is 0, and my Y is just somewhere up here. I'm going to right-click OK. These holes are going to be on a radius of 1.5, so that means the dimension from the center to this point is 1.5. Select OK, check mark. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to use a circular pattern to go around this circle. So I'm going to select circular pattern. I'm going to move my window over here. I'm going to select the geometry, which is simply just this point. Then I'm going to come over here and select my axes. So I'm going to select the arrow next to it. And to do that, I'm just going to come over here and select the center point of my circle. And you can see that it brings up 6. I want to change the number of occurrences to 4. So I'm going to change this 6 to a 4. And I'm going to make sure that it's 360 degrees. I'm going to say OK. Then I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to use the hole feature. It automatically selects all 4 of my points. I'm going to keep this as a simple hole. The seat is none. The termination is through all. I just need to change this diameter right here, which is a 0.35 diameter. And then I'm going to select OK. And this is the completion of Model 7.